Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to be discussing the 100 pips today scalper indicator. Alright, do not be scared about the name, right? But the indicator is quite an effective indicator. It's a unique one. It's a custom indicator though, because it's not readily available on the MetaTrader platform. So you have to download it from an external site if you want to make use of it. Okay. After doing that, you have to add it to the indicators library and restart your terminal before you'll be able to add the indicator to your chart. So the indicator is 100 pips today scalper indicator. This is how the indicator looks like. Like I said, you don't need to be scared. The name of the indicator might sound, quite complex. 100 pips today scalper, but it's quite straightforward. All right. As you can see on the chart, this is how the indicator looks like. Basically, the indicator gives you the direction of the trend. That is a major feature of the indicator. You can see it tells you the direction of the prevailing trend, whether it is down or up. We can see at this point, if you look closely, when we had a buy trend, you can see when we had a buy trend, the indicator showed us a buy signal. The color is a light color. So we had an up. You can see this is up. It showed us a signal when we had a buy trend indicating up movement. When we had a sell trend, it indicates down, showing us a downward movement. All right. So basically, the indicator gives us precise signals, whether to buy or to sell. And in addition to that, the indicator also makes use of a moving average, as we can see, a moving average that changes color. All right. When the trend is a sell trend, the color of the moving average is going to be red. All right. Then when the trend is a buy trend, the color of the moving average is going to be yellow. So in addition to the general trend and the general indication given to us by the 100 pips today scalper indicator, in addition to the general downtrend or uptrend told us by this indicator, you have to watch out for the color of the line as well. So when the color of the line changes to red, it's a good time to enter a sell, especially if the price has dropped below the indicator. Okay? So when you enter your sell, the exit strategy can be when the color changes to yellow. All right? You don't necessarily need to exit when you get this up signal, because this up signal can just show a mere pullback. All right? So instead of exiting when you get an up signal, exit when the color changes to yellow. All right. So as you can see here, this should have been a better place to exit. In addition to the color changing to yellow, make sure you have had price break above the indicator and bounce on it. There must be a bounce, right? After you get that bounce and you get the indicator, the price going up, that is a sign that we're probably having a bullish reversal. And as you can see, the bullish reversal prevailed. So that is it for a sell, right? So if we had entered a sell around here after getting our confirmation, this would have been a good place to enter our sell trade after getting a confirmation, right? And then our stop loss can be set above the swing high, all right, above the swing high. And then, well, like I said, concerning exiting the sell trade, you can wait for the color to change to yellow, the color of the moving average to change to yellow. And after it changes to yellow, that is just one of the criteria, right? The second one of another criteria is to wait for the price to climb above the moving average and bounce off it. After it bounces off the moving average, then you look out for a possible bullish candlestick pattern, right? Because if you have a bounce off it, it's possible that it could be a pullback at the same time, right? Like what we had here, it could possibly be a pullback. So if you get a bullish candlestick pattern, that is going to verify the possible bullish reversal. So this bullish engulfing that we had here would have confirmed our exit. So this would have been a good place to exit the sell trade. So had it been we had entered around here, set stop loss around here, that would be about 400 pips stop loss. Then our take profit would have been around 1,650 pips. So we're having over 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. We are risking about 400 pips to make about 1650 pips. So that's a good catch. All right. Ensure that you always observe good risk management. It is very important. Okay. So that is it for this particular sell example. Then let us look at this example for a buy. Ensure that you get the up signal, right? When you get the up signal, this is an example for a buy now. Once you get the up signal, confirm that the price is above the moving average, right? Above the 100 pips today scalper indicator. Okay, it actually uses the the moving average. This is actually a moving average, right? So ensure that the price is above the indicator line. Okay, and once you have confirmed that, ensure that the color has changed to yellow. All right, so once the color has changed to yellow and you have the price above it and you have confirmed the up signal, you can go ahead and enter a buy. All right, once you enter a buy trade, you can set your stop loss below the swing low, right? For example, you can set your stop loss below the swing low, and then your take profit can be at resistance zone or when you have the indicator turn to red and you get a down signal and you have price drop below the indicator. So let's say we are risking about 500 pips. Let's say we are risking about 500 pips to make almost 1,000 pips. All right, so this is close to 1 to 2. It's manageable. All right, it's quite manageable, right? So ensure that you always have a good risk to reward ratio. I need to emphasize on that because even if you have equal number of wins and losses, so long as your risk to reward ratio is an average of 1:2, you will always be on the winning side if you have equal number of wins and losses. Okay, so in addition to risk to reward ratios, ensure that you do not risk more than 2% of your account balance in a single trade. All right, and make sure that you don't trade more than you can afford to lose. Don't trade with an amount that you can't afford to lose. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.